Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, let's see how to read charts. Okay, what is candlestick? Each candle on the chart tells you something. So let's study about how to read charts. Okay, a candlestick, it is a price representation of a stock for a specific period of a time. It may be 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 day, etc. It tells you about the opening, high, low and closing price of the stock for a specific period of time. It indicates the market sentiments, like what buyers and sellers want to do. Next, let's understand the structure of candle. A candle has three major parts. One is body, upper wick and a lower wick. Upper wick or upper shadow, the difference between the high of the day and the closing price. It is the upper shadow for bullish candle, whereas for bearish it is difference between the high and the opening of the candle. And next comes the real body, the wide part of the candle showing the difference between the open and the close and closing price. It is the real body of the candle. If open is below the close, then it is a bullish candle. If open is above the close, then it is a bearish candle. This is above the open is above the close. The lower shadow, it is the difference between the low of the day and opening price of the candle for a bullish candle, whereas for bearish candle it is the difference between the low of the day and the close of the candle. That is a lower shadows. There are two types of candle. One is bullish candle or a green candle. When the closing price is higher than the opening price, then such candle is called as a bullish candle. The central part of the candle, it will be filled with the green color. This signifies the positive sentiment and indicates that the price of security may go up. That is the green candle. Here closing price is greater than the opening price, then it is a green candle or bullish candle. The red candle or a bearish candle. When the closing price is lower than the opening price, then such candle is known as a bearish candle. The central part is filled with a red color. Okay, the closing price is less than the opening price, then it is called as a bearish candle. This candle signifies the negative sentiment and it indicates the price of the security may decrease. That's all for the day. Thank you.